June 16th, 2020. The water tablet. Before the daring creatures of water, powers of the west, be with me. Flow for me like the mighty ocean's deep, and the watery blood that pulsates through my body. Awaken my heart to the love and bliss and agony and ecstasy. Be flexible and attentive, even as the water of my body moves in rhythmic motion through the dance of life. Spirits of water awaken through the power of understanding. In the three great secret names of God, Mep, Arsel, Gael, that are born upon the banners of the West, I open and activate my communication with the spirits of the watchtowers of the West. Chokma Ragisol. The spirits of water are invoked. By these further names, La Axeper, Sitnitiz, let me start those over. La Oaxer, Sinazit, Le Surachme, Siliga Aoya, Vegadisa, Saino. The six seniors, as well as the most sacred names, Heta, Hiteda, Hitedim, Himmegel, Hinerlikix, and these, Obegotoya, Ibeko, I invoke and conjure the angels of the watchtowers of the West.